Hi, it's Kathy at Vintage by Kathy, and we're back in the studio. Today, I'm going to show you another thing that I can do with your china to make a custom belt buckle for you. After breaking the china, then I have a belt buckle. This is solid metal. You can choose your shape. Then I do is I start to use my glue, and I put the pieces in one at a time and sort of glue them in there with my E6000, the best glue. Will glue anything except for your fingers together. And voila, when we're done, we have a belt with the belt buckle. And here's a close-up of the buckle.